Guys, it's finally here. Closing day at Breckenridge. It's June 9th. This is absolutely insane. Beautiful day. I'm stoked on this though. It should be a fun day. I'm super sore, super hurt still, but we're gonna make the best of it. Let's get it, guys. Just got to Breckenridge and it's bittersweet, guys. I am kind of sad to see it go, but this has been the winter that's just kept giving and kept going and going and going. Anyways, they got T-Bar open and Imperial as well, which is sweet. Let's get it. June 9th and we're out here. Closing her down, Breckenridge, Colorado. It's given a whole new meaning to the white ribbon of death. But I think we're gonna head up to T-Bar because when's the last time I've been able to say I've rode T-Bar or Imperial on June 9th in the middle of summer or whatever this is. But I'm super stoked on it. Snow's moving, my knee's good. Things are looking up. T-Bar. I almost fell off though, which is really rare. Well guys, this is the saddest thing I've ever seen. Imperial lift is open and just this. This bowl is wide open, no moguls, nothing, and this is what we get. I'm still thinking, look at these dudes. To be skiing in June. Let's get it, guys. Both bones in, guys. Let's get this. Hey buddy. How you doing? Yeah, got it. Guys, sorry, there's gonna be a lot of talking. More and more talking. Lots of talking. Got the lift to myself. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Seriously. What? Just what? Imperial was not worth it. They have like the catwalk open, which makes no sense when the bowl is in perfect conditions. It's probably staffing or ski patrol issues, which I don't blame them. But the snow looks so good up there, up on Peak 7 and Whale's Tail and whatnot. No good. Right now it's slushy, but the main groomer runs I think are where it's at right now, for sure. Guys, there's only one way to ride a lift by yourself, and you're looking at it. Oh no, copyrighted music. Oh no. Bad lap. No jumping. What up? Take it easy. Guys, that is a wrap on the season, sort of, for Breckenridge and Vail. Alright guys, boots are off. That was it. Vail closing day, Breckenridge closing day. All we got left is A-Basin and Mammoth Mountain as well, which should be sick. Hopefully I can make it back out there in August. But super fun day, guys. Dirt patches everywhere. Chaos. I'm sore, I'm tired. It's been a good season.